Maybe you feel like your business needs more customers, but every marketing idea sounds expensive. You see bigger competitors running ads, hiring agencies, posting polished videos, and offering discounts that you cannot match. Meanwhile, you are trying to pay rent, manage staff, serve customers, answer messages, fix mistakes, and still have money left at the end of the month. It is frustrating because you know your product is good, you know your service helps people. But without a huge marketing budget, it can feel like nobody hears you in a noisy street full of louder businesses every single day alone. When this problem continues, the damage is not only in the sales report, it follows you home. You start checking your phone during dinner, hoping one more order appears. You wake up thinking about bills, payroll, slow weeks, and customers who bought once and never came back. The business begins to control your mood. You work harder, but the numbers stay flat. And if nothing changes, the future becomes heavy. Costs rise, competitors get sharper, your energy drops. The dream that once gave you freedom starts to feel like a job with all the pressure and none of the peace. Growing without big money is possible when you stop thinking of marketing as a megaphone and start treating it like a clean store window. A megaphone needs volume. A good window needs clarity. When the right people understand why they should choose you, your business becomes easier to trust. It is like a restaurant with a simple menu, friendly service, and tables people can see from the sidewalk. You spend less energy begging for attention and more energy turning attention into sales. That gives you better cash flow, calmer days, and the feeling that you are finally steering again confidently. What would change if you stopped chasing everyone and started becoming the obvious choice for the people already close enough to buy from you? The solution is to use the assets you already have before you spend money you do not have. Your current customers, your daily conversations, your storefront, your social pages, your receipts, your follow-up messages, your neighborhood, and your reviews can become marketing fuel. This is not about looking bigger than you are. It is about making every contact with your business clearer, warmer, and more likely to create a sale. Most businesses lose money because people do not understand them fast enough. A customer walks by, opens your page, or hears your name from a friend, and in a few seconds they decide whether you are worth it. If your message is messy, they move on. That is like a cashier who knows the price but cannot find the register key while the line gets longer. The sale may be there, but friction kills it. So I want you to simplify what you say until a busy person can repeat it after hearing it once. Do not say, I offer quality service. Everyone says that. Say who you help, what problem you solve, and what result they can expect. If you run a cleaning company, do not hide behind general words. Say, I help homeowners come back to a clean house without spending their weekend scrubbing. If you own a bakery, say, I make birthday cakes that look beautiful, taste homemade, and are ready when promised. Clear words make people feel safe. Safety creates trust. Trust creates action. And action turns low-cost marketing into money for your business today. Then look at the customers who already paid you. Many owners ignore this gold mine because they are busy hunting strangers. But a happy customer is like a table already seated in your restaurant. It costs less to serve them again than to convince someone outside to walk in. Ask yourself why they bought, what they liked, what almost stopped them, and what else they may need. Use those answers. Send simple follow-ups. Thank them. Remind them when it is time to reorder, book again, refill, renew, or bring a friend this week too. Referrals help you grow fast without throwing money into ads. But referrals do not happen often when you leave them to luck. People are busy. They may love you and forget to mention you. Make it easy. Give them one sentence they can share. Tell them who you are looking to help. When a customer says thank you, that is the moment to ask. You can say, I am glad this helped. Do you know one person who could use the same result? That question is honest and powerful because it feels human, not pushy. Your online presence does not need to be fancy. It needs to be useful. Post the questions customers ask every day. Show small wins. Show before and after moments when appropriate. Show what happens behind the counter. Show how you solve a common problem. Think of your page like a helpful employee who works after you close. If that employee only says, buy now, people get tired. But if that employee teaches, reassures, explains, and invites, people start to feel like they know you before they ever spend $1 with you or call today. You can partner with businesses that serve the same type of customer without competing with you. A gym can send people to a meal prep shop. A realtor can introduce a moving company. A hair salon can recommend a photographer before special events. This is like sharing foot traffic in a busy market. You're not begging. You're creating value for the customer and for the partner. Be specific and reliable. Nobody wants to recommend a business that makes them look bad. So make your promise clear for them and keep it every time. Inside the business, remove anything that wastes the attention you earn. If people ask the same question before buying, answer it sooner. If they abandon a quote because it feels confusing, make the quote cleaner. If they walk in but leave because nobody greets them, fix the greeting. Marketing is not only getting attention, it is protecting attention until it becomes cash. Imagine filling a bucket while there is a hole at the bottom. Spending more on ads is like pouring faster. Fixing the hole is cheaper, faster, and better for profit than chasing strangers. Price matters when your budget is small. I am not telling you to become the cheapest. Cheap can make you tired and broke. I'm telling you to make the value easier to see. When people understand what pain you remove, what time you save, what risk you reduce, or what result you create, price becomes easier to accept. Use stories, use photos, use examples, use plain words. A crowded restaurant does not need to explain every ingredient if people can smell the food and see happy tables. Your business needs that proof every day. This gives you control. You stop waiting for a campaign. You stop feeling small because you cannot outspend bigger companies. You start using closeness as your advantage. You know customers by name. You hear their problems. You can adjust faster. You can make people feel seen in a way a big company cannot. That is powerful. More repeat sales mean steadier cash. Better messages mean better conversion. Cleaner processes mean fewer wasted hours. And fewer wasted hours mean you can go home with a clearer head. Do you want growth in your business and life? Here is what I want you to do today. Pick one offer and make it easy to understand in one clear sentence. Share that sentence with past customers, on your page, inside your store, and with one partner who already reaches the people you want. Then watch what happens. Do not wait until you can afford a big campaign. Build the habit of turning every contact into trust and every trust into revenue. Are you going to use what you already have, or let louder competitors take the customers who should be buying from you right now before they do?